Now to the coronavirus pandemic, and Governor Cuomo and Governor Murphy are tightening the restrictions on travel into our area, adding 4 new states to the hotspot quarantine list. There's also enforcement beginning today at New York airports. CBS 2's Natalie Duddridge is live at LaGuardia with more on this. Natalie?
That's right, Dana. A lot of updates today. So let's start with those 4 new spots. Those are Minnesota, New Mexico, Ohio, Wisconsin. If you are traveling from any of those states to New York or New Jersey, you must quarantine for 14 days. Now, if you're traveling to New York from any hotspot, then you must fill out this new form. Now, how it's going to work here at the airport is when you arrive to the gate, you will be met by an enforcement team. They will either check your phone, check your paperwork, make sure that you have filled out that form, and if you have not, you could face a hefty fine. Travelers landing at a very quiet LaGuardia airport and every other airport in the area from high-risk COVID-19 locations must fill out new Department of Health forms starting today, asking them for contact information and where they plan to stay. Craig Davis landed from Atlanta, one of the spiking states.
Just basic questions like what state are you coming from? Have you been around anybody who's had any of the symptoms of the virus? I'm not sure what to think yet because I haven't studied it. But if it's to, keep the virus down, I give it a thumbs up.
Passengers either got a form before boarding in the air or can fill out a form electronically and show it at the gate. It asks you if you're traveling from a state designated as having a significant amount of community spread. If so, advises that you must quarantine for 14 days. We couldn't find anyone who objected.
Because there are definitely spikes in other states, so I think it's necessary.
The new measures apply to anyone who arrives by air, car, bus, or train, but doesn't apply to essential workers or someone just passing through a state within a 24-hour period.
I'm only here for a day, so in the fact that it doesn't affect me really, I'm kind of happy about that, but I think that's a good idea for them to put that in place, just because I know a lot of people are kind of using right now this downtime to go to other states to, get vacations out of it.
If you don't fill out a form, you could face a fine of up to $2,000. The mandate was announced yesterday by Governor Cuomo to help contain the rate of COVID-19.
None of this is pleasant, but we've gone through this before. We went through this, watched 3 million Europeans, people from Europe, come into this state and bringing the virus. Fool me once. We can't be in a situation where we have people coming from other states in the country bringing the virus.
Governor Murphy said this morning it's possible New Jersey could implement similar measures.
We'll do it our own way, but we're deadly serious about this. This is a travel advisory. We knew when we opened our state up we'd take on more risk of transmission of the virus, but there's an added element from folks who are coming in from out of state, from hotspots.
What passengers landing in New York aren't sure about is will the state be following up with them to make sure they're staying at home.
I'm kind of confused too, because also it seems like paperwork gets lost super easy, so who knows? I'll be quarantined, but I know that should be what everyone's doing.
Now, we also checked in with Governor Cuomo's office to find out how will they be verifying people who are driving into the state have filled out their forms. We have not heard back yet, but as for the list of states on that travel advisory, it keeps fluctuating. Delaware has been taken off that list, so if you are traveling, just make sure you check for the latest updates. We're live at LaGuardia Airport. Natalie Duddridge, CBS 2 News.
Natalie, thank you.